The CEO of Google attests to Shiba Inu burn. Prepare yourself to never work again. Hundreds of festival attendees filed into a Zen escape on Monday at SXO, a virtual landscape featuring enchanting forests of bamboo and cherry trees swaying in the wind, and an unmistakable monument to the Japanese hunting dog breed Shiba Inu. This occurred just hours after Silicon Valley Bank's collapse threatened the future of most tech startups. It provided a break from the collapsing financial ecosystems and the first glimpse of the metaverse being constructed by the creators of the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency. It was named the Wagmi Temple in reference to the cryptocurrency tagline, "We're all gonna make it." We'll discuss about Google's CEO confirming Shiba Inu burn in this video. Prepare yourself to never work again. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. Decentralized cryptocurrency bank runs like the one from last Friday are unavoidable. With just his alias and an avatar of a hooded person wearing a long cloak, Satoshi Kazama, the enigmatic chief developer of Shiba Inu, communicates with Fast Firm via Google Meet. He turns off his video camera and enters into a chatbot without saying anything aloud. He's signing the fractional reserves of the bank. That 5% worldwide adoption figure rises as more individuals become aware of this and choose to diversify. At that point, some people ask, "What's this SHIB thing?" And they discover just how amazing we are. Not that some folks aren't aware of this already. Although Web3 advocates still represent a small portion of Twitter users, SHIB may have the most cult-like following among cryptocurrency enthusiasts. The token, known as Shiba Inu, was first created as a joke 4 years ago with the intention of creating a Dogecoin killer to surpass the competing meme-based token, Dogecoin. However, its devoted supporters couldn't have been more serious. With nothing more than a social media uprising, they managed to propel Shiba Inu into a top 10 cryptocurrency at one point, with a $44 billion market valuation. Over the years, SHIBASWAP, a decentralized trade network, and a collection of 10,000 Shibashi NFTs, pixelated Shiba Inu figures with various accessories like a pirate helmet or a piece of pizza hanging from the dog's mouth, have been added to the cosmos. Elon Musk and Vitalik Buterin, the inventor of Ethereum, also sent Shiba Inu shoutouts. Next, a collaboration with the Canadian luggage company Bugatti. And what started out as glib trolling by the meme community has expanded to 3.6 million followers on cryptocurrency Twitter. These users are among the loudest on the network, quickly jumping on news bursts and hurling hashtags like #HailShib and #ShibArmyStrong, pledging to elevate the hashtag to new heights. It was the third most Googled cryptocurrency globally in 2023. With the launch of its Layer 2 blockchain, Shibarium, and a series of new tokens last week, it is now making its largest leap to date. Shib the Metaverse, its flagship metaverse, will open with the first virtual storefront for rock and roll fashion designer John Richmond. Shib wants to use it to transcend beyond being a meme currency. The strange folklore of Shiba Inu contributes to their appeal. The mystery surrounding its creator, Ryoshi, likewise surrounded him until he abruptly vanished from the internet last summer. Ironically, his Discord avatar in the form of a cat is no longer available. He did not, however, disappear. Satoshi followed the roadmap that Ryoshi had left behind after the token had amassed 6,000 wallets, but before Musk's comments caused it to soar in the sky. The finances of Shib are likewise unclear. Satoshi claims that although money from Shiboshi NFT sales is used elsewhere, sales of metaverse land plots support the growth of the metaverse. The leash and bone tokenomics, and whether or not to retain a portion, are still up for debate among the team members. They refuse to say whether they get a portion of the transaction fees collected by ShibaSwap. They haven't secured venture funding. The community at Shib, nevertheless, is its greatest asset, a term often used in magazine interviews, tweets, and blog postings. Lead advisor for Shib Metaverse Marcy Jastro tells Fast Company that the Shib Army's input is being taken into consideration when they map out the metaverse. The group hired a company to build it using Unreal Engine software. However, the creative director is absent. They create concept art, initially in black and white drawings, then post the drafts on a blog and wait for comments on social media before repeatedly editing, coloring, and rendering in 3 dimensions. The Wagmi Temple, the first of the 11 planned zones, is a pristine dream place with grazing deer and open-air yoga. And that community even reaches into other metaverses that are usually seen as competitors, such as Decentraland, the Sandbox, or the opposite side of Yuga Lab. However, Jastro is certain that the pioneers need to come together for a realm as revolutionary and emerging as the metaverse. She compares it to the early days of virtual reality. All we wanted was for the headset to function. We didn't care who won. It may come out as too amiable, particularly during the hard times of the cryptocurrency winter when venture capital financing has dried up and survival seems more competitive than ever. Jastro is correct, however, because every metaverse fights to sell people on the idea of living in a Web 3 or even a 3D Web 2. What works for one may work for others. In spite of Mark Zuckerberg's fervent push for Horizon Worlds, AI has become the focus of Meta rather than the metaverse. The idea on which Zuckerberg staked the reputation of his business after the metaverse division's $13.3 billion loss in 2023. With just 8,000 daily active users, Decentraland is undoubtedly the industry leader. As of late last year, Grayscale's Decentraland ETF was trading at a 60-cent discount to the dollar. A number of metaverse currencies have seen an 80% decline. Shiba Inu's market value is now $5.3 billion, with 589 trillion tokens in circulation and a price of $0.09. As previously suggested, if the token were to hunt for a value of $1 per token, this would imply an amazing implied valuation of $589 trillion, much above even the gross domestic product of the world. Shiba Inu's most recent advancements keep making news. Due to its high return potential, Shiba Inu have become more popular among investors. The community of Shiba Inu owners and merchants is growing as the breed's demand rises. Any prudent investor would understand, of course, that achieving such a price would require significant supply decreases. However, given its present low price and great potential benefits, many cryptocurrency aficionados are drawn to the possibility of making money by investing in this unique cryptocurrency powered by millennials. At the time of writing, Shib, the token that powers Shiba Inu, the second largest meme currency, was up 2% to trade at $0 and 913 cents dollar. The price of the Shiba Inu bounced back from a major declining trendline support earlier in January, suggesting that the trend was set to shift to the north. Prior to the trend line corresponding correction to $0.01, Shib had spiked higher in December, rising 96% to a new annual high of $0 and 1,016 cents at the beginning of January. Even with the double-digit gain over the last day, investors cannot mislead the market until Shiba Inu checks a few boxes. Verify a fresh bull market. With a market value of $5.3 billion, the second most popular meme currency is now selling at $0 and 912 cents. Shiba Inu's trading volume has surged to $74 million in the last day, suggesting that investors are piling in more money in anticipation of a significantly larger price jump in the next several days. However, price movement below $0 and 912 cents is now limited by the 100-day exponential moving average. It is still imperative that Shib breaks above this pivotal moving average in order to sustain the breakout from the declining trend line. Important momentum indicators, such as the moving average convergence divergence point to a determined bullish front despite the current obstacle. Following Silicon Valley Bank's fall, which also caused the rest of the market to collapse, the MACD flashed a buy signal on the daily timeframe chart for Shiba Inu. On the 4-hour chart, the MACD maintains the buy signal, but this time is holding above the mean line. Particularly during this week's rebound, buyers are keen to hang onto their profits in anticipation of the Federal Reserve's potential March 22 interest rate rise announcement. On the 4-hour chart, the price of Shiba Inu is above the 100-day EMA, which is at $0 and 1,110 cents. Recall that the daily chart's immediate barrier is the 100-day EMA. It might be confirmed that support is still in place and that the upward route has the least amount of opposition by a daily closing above $0 and 910 cents. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.